In most of my videos, I talk about goal setting, strategizing, and how you can work more efficiently. But in this video, I'm going to talk very personally about how doing nothing can actually help your music career. I was driving down the street at about 35 miles an hour at 11 o'clock p.m. with my head on the steering wheel like this. I was sleeping. I wake up to see myself heading directly towards a car, and like one of those bad dreams where you can't move, I tried to turn the steering wheel, and then suddenly, I hit a parked car head on. It all started when I was about 12 years old. I fell in love with drumming and I wanted to be the best. At first, I started practicing about 4 hours a day, and eventually that grew to about 7 hours a day. And during my first year at Berklee College of Music, I was practicing anywhere from 15 to 20 hours a day. The night of that accident, my brain essentially just let go and gave out, and I fell asleep. I was overstressed. And as I lay on the hospital bed in Princeton, New Jersey with a cast in my hand, looking up at the fluorescent lights, I realized something has got to change. I knew I needed to give my brain a break from drumming in school, so I got involved in health and physical fitness. I had the right idea, but I still didn't really quite get it yet. Now I was stressed out about working out every day, my diet, and looking as physically fit as possible. So now I have 3 stressors: school, drumming, and working out. Still, there had to be a better way. And that way is doing nothing. I'm going to repeat, doing nothing. And I don't mean something like working out like I did. I mean literally being by yourself, turning off your brain and allowing it to go into idle. And make no mistake, even when you think you're doing nothing, your brain is generating ideas, and all of these wonderful creative things are just going to pour out of you at some point in the future. Let me tell you a really quick story about myself that happened recently. I was working on a new book idea and the ideas weren't coming. I mean, literally, I just felt blocked. So I got on a boat and I went to Catalina Island and literally just did nothing. And I mean nothing. Here I am overlooking a bay, just chilling out and not thinking about anything. And then all of a sudden, all of these wonderful creative ideas just started to flow through me, and I grabbed my pen and I just started writing everything down. And now I'm in totally the flow of the project. It's kind of like when your computer doesn't work and that wheel just keeps on spinning. The Mac technician is going to tell you to shut it off, count to a couple seconds, and then turn it back on to kind of reboot the computer, and it usually works. So the takeaway of my story for young independent music artists like you who are on the way up, sometimes you just have to say F you to getting more Instagram fans, F you to TikTok videos, and F you to trying to get on Spotify playlists or whatever you're working on, and just unplug, recharge, and do nothing. Please be sure to check out these next videos that can help you turn your art into a more successful business. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get alerted of future videos. My name is Bobby Borg. Thanks for watching. Peace. Whew. Now I think I'm gonna go do nothing.